Step-by-step tutorial on installing your DIY flat pack. Please read the product specs and requirements on your instruction sheet or on the website linked below. Step 1. Bolt frame to plate and thread set screws. Place the frame onto the plate in the double or single position. Note, the plate is double-sided. If you need the frame to be on the other side, flip the plate. Apply a drop of Loctite to each of the 4 frame-to-plate bolts. Thread in bolts and tighten with the hex key Allen wrench. Tighten to 20 foot-pounds with the torque wrench. Thread the 3/8 inch by 1/2 inch set screws into the corner holes of the frame receiver about halfway. Thread the 3/8 by 3/8 set screws into the bottom and side holes of the frame receiver about halfway. Step 2. Measure and placement. Measure the length of your countertop and your cabinet panel to determine the placement of the frames. In general, we recommend 28 inches per chair or 56 inches from center of frame to center of frame for 2 doubles. If your chair will be mounted next to a wall or on a corner with 2 chairs, you'll need 34 inches of space from the wall or from the countertop corner to the center of the frame. Step 3. Pre-drill holes and secure lag screws or anchors. To secure the frame to the wood subfloor, pre-drill holes through the plate with a 7/32 drill bit. To secure the frame to the concrete subfloor, use a 3/8 inch drill bit as described in your instruction sheet. Using a 9/16 wrench, tighten lag screws or concrete anchors into the floor until snug. Optional to use an impact drill. Note, make sure not to over-tighten or it could strip the screws. Step 4. Build a step. You can find the full tutorial on how to build your step with the link provided. Step 5. Secure bumpers on head assembly. Cut the zip tie holding the swing arms together. Lay the head assembly down and rotate the arms so you can see the threaded holes in the arm stop collar. Put a drop of Loctite onto the bumper block bolt. Thread it into the lower collar with the flange pointing towards the arm. Tighten all the way with the hex key Allen wrench. Each arm needs a bumper block. Step 6. Mount head assembly and tighten set screws. Lift the head assembly and slide it into the frame receiver. Using a hex key Allen wrench, tighten the lower corner set screws until the head assembly square tubing is tight against the top left side of the frame receiver. Tighten the right side and the bottom set screws. Slide the cover up by flexing the back ends of the cover. Keep about an 1/8 inch of space to account for any flex. Step 7. Attach seats. Place the chair onto the seat plate. Using a 3/8 inch wrench, tighten all 4 bolts. If installing roundwood chairs, place provided spacers on top of the back corners of the seat plate and tighten bolts. Enjoy your new suspended seating.